Hi everyone, welcome back to Royal Logos. In today's video, we will design this clean and impactful logo design by using Adobe Illustrator. This isn't just a random abstract mark, but there is a background story and logical reasoning behind this design. The logo is designed for a company that is providing IT services, and they are looking for a logo that can visually represent their brand's mission. And the brand mission is shedding light on all IT wows. So I came up with this idea. I don't know about you, but I really like this design as it has a very clean, unique and impactful visual. Now let's break down this logo. The logo is designed by using two different elements. The negative space is a perfect pixel or a bit, a unit for data storage. Both of these elements represents the IT services. And the second element is a torchlight, or you can also say a flashlight or a beacon. The use of 4 torch lights on 4 sides of the pixel visually represents the brand's mission, shedding light on all IT wows. Hope that you like this idea. Now let's continue with the design process in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, we will set the artboard dimensions. Select the units to pixels, then select the width to 1920 and height to 1080 pixels. Then in the advanced menu, simply select the color mode to RGB. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle from this intersection to this intersection point. And apply it a dark color like this navy blue color. Then go to Windows, select Layers, then click on this drop down menu, simply select this rectangle layer and lock it. Now again select the rectangle tool, left click, then write the value of width to 450 and also for the height to 450. We doesn't need the fill color, so we will cancel it by clicking on this cross icon and assign it a stroke color like this white color. Then apply the value of stroke width to 3 points to have a better visual. Then select the ellipse tool, left click, click on this constraint icon and write the value of width to 180. Now we doesn't need the stroke, so we will cancel it by clicking on this cross icon and assign it a fill color like this white color. Now simply select the selection tool and now we want to place this center of the circle at this corner of the rectangle. So simply drag it like this. And to make a copy, hold down the alternate key and drag it like this. Then select both of these circles, again hold down the alternate key and drag them at this position. Now we doesn't need this rectangle, so select it and press delete. Now again select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle from this anchor point to this one. Again, we doesn't need this stroke color, so we will cancel it by clicking on this cross icon and assign it a solid color like this white color. Now double click on this gradient tool, then select this bar. Select this color, then apply this white color and reduce the value of opacity to 0%. And drag the gradient bar like this. Now select the selection tool and to make a copy of this bar, simply hold down the alternate key and drag it like this. Then rotate it to 90 degrees by holding down the shift key and drag it at this anchor point. Make another copy by holding down the alternate key, then rotate it to 90 degrees and place it at this anchor point. Again make a copy by holding down the alternate key, then rotate it to 90 degrees and place it at this anchor point. Then select all of these parts and rotate to 45 degrees by holding down the shift key. And this is our final design. Now let's apply a different color. So hold down the shift key and select all of these circles. Then go to color menu and select this blue color. Then select one of these bars. Then select the gradient tool, select this color, then select eyedropper tool and click on this blue color. Then select this color and again apply blue color. Again double click on this color and reduce the value of opacity to 0%. Then select the selection tool, select this one, select eyedropper tool and click on this gradient and also for the other ones. And this is how you can apply multiple colors as per your choice. And now it's time for the client's feedback, and the client didn't like this design. He says that it has a very corporate visual and they are looking for something that is not too much corporate. And that's how it is. You can't force your will on anyone, especially the client. Now I want to know about your thoughts on this design. Please share your feedback in the comment section. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. and have a nice day.